But does the Speaker have the power to prescribe a secret ballot as the voting procedure in a motion of no confidence in the President? Put differently, do the Constitution and the rules of the National Assembly require, permit, or prohibit that voting in a motion of no confidence in the President be by secret ballot? Section 102.2 provides that the National Assembly has the power to pass a motion of no confidence by a vote. No section or rule supports the contention that a secret ballot is required or provides expressly for any voting procedure in a motion of no confidence. But several important observations emerge from sections of the Constitution that provides for voting. The procedure to be followed for the election of the President and several constitutional office bearers, even at a provincial level, has been specifically provided for. It is voting by secret ballot, and whoever secures a majority of votes is to be declared elected. As regards the removal from office either through an impeachment or a motion of no confidence, the Constitution is silent on the procedure. The Constitution could have provided for a vote by secret ballot or an open ballot. It did neither. Why did the Constitution not prescribe the voting procedure in a motion of no confidence? Absent an express constitutional choice, the National Assembly is at large to exercise its Section 57(1) powers to decide on the appropriate procedure in terms of which to vote on the motion. And the choice lies between an open ballot or a secret ballot. The National Assembly, therefore, has the power to determine whether voting on a motion of no confidence would be by open ballot or secret ballot, informed by what would best advance our constitutional vision or project. Both possibilities of an open or secret ballot are constitutionally permissible. The absence of a prior determination of the voting procedure by the Constitution for a motion of no confidence means that it neither prohibits nor prescribes an open ballot or secret ballot. The effect of this is to leave it open to the National Assembly when the time comes to vote on that motion, to decide on the appropriate voting procedure. This can only reinforce the conclusion that the Assembly has the power to make that determination. Rule 104(1) and 3 of the National Assembly empowers the Speaker